up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Got something else for the Ducati Streetfighter. Let's do it back here. Get rid of this. Got rid of these. So obviously, I'm riding around looking like this, so it looks kind of weird having a seat back there where nobody can actually use it. The peg on this side is pretty much useless now, so I just have to get rid of it. I'm not going to use it anyway. No one's going to ride with me. Like I said, I'm going to get this out of here because it looks kind of dumb having a seat when there's no pegs. So, and also it makes the bike look a lot better with the replacement. I got this right here. I actually ordered it. It's used. It's from I got it from eBay, from a seller on eBay. It's an actually authentic piece right here, as you see in here, from Ducati. So it's an authentic piece. I actually got it for a good deal. I've just been looking for the black rear seat cowl for a while, and all the ones I keep seeing was like $300 to $400 plus, just for this piece, this little piece right here. So I'm not paying the $400 for that. So luckily I found one. The seller had one on eBay, and I'm happy with it so far. It's used. There's like little small imperfections, but you can't see that. You can't see any of them, so you can't tell. So when you replace the rear with the rear cowl, there's a piece you got to get. This sits right in here. Kind of sits like that. Here it is right here. This is actually authentic carbon fiber, gloss carbon fiber. I got this specifically to match with the front wrap I put on here. I don't know if you guys can see, like right in there. So it matches somewhat. So got that to replace that piece right here. So we'll get this installed. For right now, you need the key to unlock it, and then also need a 3mm 4 screws you gotta take off. So I'm gonna sit you guys down. I'm gonna get the pulling those off and get this rear seat installed. All right, we'll start by unlocking the seat, pulling that off. Set this to the side. Key out the way. And I'm gonna start getting these right here. Like I said, this is 6mm. Now there's 2 more screws up here. You've seen I pulled off the seat. I'm gonna take these 2 off too, and it should pop off. I used to feel it starting to get loose now, so pull it off. There we go. Now it's off. I assume this goes in first, so let me show you guys. Okay, so yeah, so I believe this goes in first. You see right in here, there's a slat right in here, back in here like that. Okay, yeah, you just need the key to lock that in here. Alright guys, so the reason why it's not fitting properly right now, let me see if I can get some better lighting. So right here, let's see if I flash my flashlight on it, so you guys can see it. Right there, you see that little lip, like right here? Yeah, so this needs to clip onto that lip, so I'm gonna get that in there now. Clipped in there properly, I see it's clipped in there. Alright, yeah, there we go. So now it's aligning better. All I gotta do is screw it in, so it should be in there properly now. Alright. Alright guys, let me know what you think. I think it looks good. Definitely like that carbon fiber piece. I'll put a link in the description below where I got this from. Unfortunately, I can't put a link for this because it was a private sale on eBay and the person doesn't have anymore. Like I said, this is a used piece. You can't even tell it's been used. It looks brand new. And I was not willing to pay regular price for what it's $400 for this little piece. Is $400 can go somewhere else with the bike, more so than this piece. But I found it. I was lucky to find it, and it's actually in good shape. I don't see anything wrong with it, like little small blemishes, but yeah. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. I like the way it looks. It fits the bike better. Step back a little bit so you can see. Oh yeah, that looks good. Alright, if it doesn't rain, I'm gonna go on a ride and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like outside. So let's go. Alright guys, this is my favorite mod so far on the bike. That right there. Look how much more aggressive the bike looks with that. And then you got the carbon fiber matching the hitting off of here, matches that. These pieces here. I was going to wrap this piece right here, gloss carbon to match. It just didn't turn out that good, so I gotta redo it. But for right now, I think it looks really good. Man, how can you not like the way this bike looks? Super aggressive. Alright guys, so like like I do traditionally when I'm outside, I talk about just in case you guys haven't watched any of my other videos, I do a recap of the mods I got on the bike, and I'll let you guys know what I have up and coming. If you guys haven't watched previously, I added the windscreen right here. I wrapped the silver pieces up front, gloss carbon, black gloss carbon fiber. What else? Of course, this is what we're out here for. This piece right here, the solo seat cowl, rear cowl, with this is actually real carbon fiber piece. Like I said, I think I splurged on it. I spent a little too much on it for this piece, but it looks good though. You could tell, you definitely tell the difference between real and fake carbon fiber. That's definitely real. Got the tail tighty kit. So far, that's what I got mod wise on the bike. Nothing too crazy. I think the next thing I'm gonna do, I forgot to buy the things for this to delete these off of here, make the bike look more clean. It goes over here to delete this piece up here. So it's actually pretty simple to do. I'll make a video about that when I get them in. On resets next, then exhaust with a tune, then done. Shit. I mean, once I tune the bike, one more. I mean, there's nothing more I can do to it. I'll probably add more, like I said, more carbon fiber pieces to go with the look, go with the gloss carbon look that I got going on it. Other than that, that's pretty much it. And as I stated previously, I'm still looking for another bike to complement this one. I don't know if I want another naked bike, or do I want to go with a full fairing bike. I just don't want to be in that aggressive riding stance. I can't do it, man. I can't do it anymore. Some bikes I was looking at. See, I don't know. I don't know if I want to get like the Aprilia, their naked bike, the Tuono V4, and I have two pretty much. I guess I need the same bike. It's the same type of bike, same type of engine, V4 engine, or if I just go with the Ducati V2. I've been looking at the V2, more specific, the white one. I like the white. I think it will complement the black Streetfighter. So, alright, well, yeah, I'm gonna put it on so you guys know what I got on there. The rear cowl, I think it looks good. Comment below and let me know what you guys think. And you know what I got coming up next. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. The Evotech radiator guards. I forgot about these. I kind of glossed over these because it was I'll vent to you guys for a little bit. It was so hard putting these things on. It's not that it was hard, it was kind of irritating. And then when I was putting them in, it was probably like 110 something degrees outside, which made my inside garage hotter than hot. I had the fan going, it was not doing nothing, blowing hot air. Then the instructions really were not that good. And then this bottom piece, I recommend anybody who's putting these in to have somebody at least hold this bottom piece, because you got to pull this fairing down there down and out. And this piece right here has kept falling down. It wouldn't stay in as I'm trying to tighten it down. But I got them in. They look good. They definitely perform well. I recommend them to anybody who has any bike like this with the radiator exposed. I believe they make them for a number of bikes. They look good. They perform well. Another thing I didn't like was the way they were packaged. I thought they were packaged kind of poorly. They just kind of came in some cheap paper and a cardboard box. Nothing like wrapped nicely, but luckily there wasn't no damage to them. But yeah, they look good. I like them. So that's my little review on that too. So yeah, like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. Yeah, so that's it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the bike and all the other mods I got on it so far. And yeah, alright, I'll check you guys in the next video. Peace.